In this video, we will show you how to send money between PayPal users. To send your money into others' PayPal email address, it's very easy. First, you can using send money features in here. For example, you can send the money into your friends, your family, or another's. First, just click send money. Then you can find the email address. Just type the email address here. I will using my friend's email address, for example, and click send to the email address. Then type the amount. For example, uh, in my case, point 0.4 like this. Okay. And what this is for family. Okay. Just click next. Be careful. The email address you type must correct. If you type the wrong address, your money will be lost here. Just for example. And this is click next. Okay. And select friends and family. Okay. For friends and family. And click continue. And click send. Okay. You send this amount to our friend's email address or our family email address. And that's how you can send money on PayPal between PayPal users. And thanks for watching.